friends, today we're gonna draw Big Dill.
Yeah, from what game?
Fortnite.
Yeah, Fortnite. He's a big dill pickle.
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along. This is from the new season that just barely came out, so we're really excited.
Mm-hmm.
I'm already playing him, and he's awesome. And we have something different in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in our new studio, and we have some new decorations.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot.
It's pretty cool.
And we have our books.
Oh yeah, up at the top. We got to add some more books.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you ready to draw Big Dill?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to use Sharpies to draw with, but you can use whatever you have, just like the old days where we used to use Sharpies. And we're also going to color with different markers. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start by drawing Big Dill's head. We're going to draw his mask, ski mask. We're going to start up here at the top, and we're going to draw an upside down U shape. I'm going to draw it this big. Yes, and then we're going to draw little bumps on the outside down here at the bottom. And then we're going to connect these together. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time. Okay, there's his ski mask. Now let's draw his body. We're going to draw it coming down, around, and I'm also kind of drawing it short so that we have room to fit him in with his big long legs. It should probably be down here. That's okay. We'll keep going. All right, now let's draw his face. We're going to draw a circle in the middle. This is the hole in the ski mask where his lips are sticking out. He flexes and then he kind of looks like he's growling or he's got his teeth showing. But let's draw him with his kissy lips. We're going to draw number 3. Backwards number 3, yeah. Okay, now let's draw his eyes. We're going to draw him really close to his lips. We're going to draw 2 more circles, one on each side. And then we're going to draw his eyebrows inside. We're going to draw a horizontal line. You could also tip it a little bit on each side. And then we're going to draw a little half circle and color it in underneath his eyebrows. There's Big Dill's face. Okay, now let's draw his legs down here at the bottom. And we're going to draw them coming down like this, and then we're going to draw them bending in. So slightly bend out and then bend back in. Then we're going to give him little thighs. So we're going to curve into his knee, and then we're going to curve back out for his calf and then come down to his ankle. And then let's do the same thing over here. Whoops. Connect there. There we go. And then let's draw his feet. We're going to come out and then back in. We'll do the same thing over here. Out, curve out, and back in for his heel. Yes. Okay, now we need to draw his arms. And we're going to start up here, and we're going to draw a little shoulder. We could do this at the same time on both sides. Then we'll draw a diagonal line coming further down, and we'll do that on both sides. Then let's draw the inside of his arm, and we're going to draw it coming down to his wrist, and we can do that same thing to match on this side. And then let's draw his fist. We're going to draw it curving around and then back in. And we'll do the same thing. He's got his fists closed like he's flexing. We're getting ready to punch. And then we can draw his thumb and his fingers curling in. So we got draw a line coming in, and then we can draw a little dot at the end. We'll draw coming in and a little dot at the end. And we're actually using a different brand of markers instead of our brand. We're using Cali Art, and these are from Amazon, and we have links in our shop for parents if they want to pick up the same set. It comes with a lot of markers, and instead of us calling out what colors we're using, it's always a good idea to make a swatch page like this. And we did one for our brand of markers, Art for Kids Hub. And for the Cali Art, I went through and added all the colors and then put the number so that it's easy to pick which color we want. And we're going to use a lot of these greens down here, I think, for the pickle. And we're missing one thing on Big Dill.
His chain.
Yeah. And what color should we use? maybe 204?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Well, we usually speed up the drawing while we're coloring, but we're going to use Y204 or yellow marker to draw his chain. And he has that big dill pickle sign. So we're going to draw 2 lines down, and I'm going to draw it right about here, and we'll make it thick. There we go. And then we're going to make another one right next to it. And we only have one of these markers, so I'm going to do it first. And then we'll share. I'm going to draw the big letter D going through those 2 lines down. So now it looks like a P and a D for dill pickle. Then we can also draw the chain going around his neck. So I'm going to draw it connecting here and connecting over here. And then we're going to do another big one that goes all the way around to the other side. I wish I had a chain like this.
Me too.
Okay, do you want to match the same chain design? And then we're also going to speed it up so our friends can pause the video and take time to color their drawings. We're going to use green and then also color in his mask dark gray. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing Big Dill and he turned out awesome. I especially love your drawing in that face.
Thanks.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. We used the light green first to color the whole thing in, and then we used the darker green to add texture lines and little pickle dots.
Then we also used a white color pencil to make it shiny.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Big Dill.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.